Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to style the Lightbox Close button in the Divi Gallery module. By customizing its color and size, you can ensure the button remains clear and on-brand, improving visibility across different image backgrounds. We'll walk you through the steps to apply your chosen styling and check the result on your live site for a consistent and polished experience. Let's get started. To style the Lightbox Close button in your Divi Gallery module, you can use the Lightbox Close button font controls provided by Divi Gallery Booster or Divi Booster. This method is completely no-code, making it quick and user-friendly. With these tools, you can easily set your preferred color and size for the close button. Plus, it ensures the button maintains full opacity, so it's always clearly visible and consistent across different backgrounds. For more details on the tools mentioned, you can check the accompanying post. To begin styling your Lightbox Close button, open the settings for your gallery module. Next, switch over to the Design tab. From here, find the Lightbox Close button section and expand it. Once expanded, locate the color swatch in the font controls and click it to open the color picker. This is where you'll be able to choose your custom styling options. Refer to the accompanying post for a detailed image of this step. Now that the color picker is open for the Lightbox Close button, you can choose your custom color. Simply enter the hex code for the color you'd like. For instance, FF000 if you want a bold red. Then, make sure to set the opacity to 100 for a vivid, fully visible button. Once you've made your selections, close the color picker to apply the changes. This straightforward adjustment helps ensure your close button stands out exactly as intended. To adjust the size of the Lightbox Close button, stay in the font controls for the Lightbox Close button. Look for the text size field. Here you can set the size to your preference. For example, try 50 pixels if you want the button to be more prominent. This simple adjustment helps you match the button size to your design needs, ensuring it remains noticeable and functional. Once you've finished customizing the Lightbox Close button, the final step is to save your changes. Make sure to save the settings in your gallery module and then publish the page. This will apply your updates and make them visible on your live site. It's a simple yet crucial step to ensure your customizations are live and ready for your visitors. Now that you've made your customizations, it's time to preview them on the front end. Visit your live page, open an image in the Gallery Lightbox, and take a look at the Close button. It should appear exactly as you've set it, clear, bright, and sized to your preference. For example, if you chose a bold red at 50 pixels with 100 opacity, the button should match this perfectly. This final check ensures your updates look just as expected and are ready for your visitors. And that's it. Customizing your Divi Gallery Lightbox Close button is a simple process, thanks to tools like Divi Gallery Booster and Divi Booster. With just a few adjustments, you can make sure your close button aligns perfectly with your site's style and remains clear and easy for your visitors to use. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing.